Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Arjun Mk1 A to equip with DATRAN. The delivery of 118 Arjun Mk1 A tanks to the Indian Army has been delayed due to a snag in engine production by German company MTU. The MTU 838 KA501 engines originally intended for the tanks are no longer in production, and restarting production would take longer than the desired delivery time frame due to supply chain shifts towards newer engine variants. In September 2021, the Indian Army placed an order for 118 Arjun Mk1A tanks. While the DRDO has some extra MTU 838 engines from previous procurement, these will only suffice for the initial batch of tanks scheduled for delivery from September 2023 onwards. Next, new Procurement App promo. The Indian Army has taken a significant step towards enhancing its capital acquisition process with the launch of a new application called Procurement Monitoring Application, that is promo in short. This application promises to offer near real-time visibility of all stages involved in acquiring critical equipment and resources, fostering greater transparency and efficiency throughout the system. Next, procurement of 11 Shakti electronic warfare systems for Indian Navy. The Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with Bharat Electrical Limited, Hyderabad on 13th Feb 2024 in New Delhi for procurement of 11 Shakti electronic warfare system along with the associated equipment accessories for Indian Navy under Buy Indian category at a total cost of rupees 2,269.54 crore. Next, deployment of drones to disperse protesting farmers. In a controversial move, the Haryana police deployed unmanned aerial vehicles to disperse farmers protesting at the Shambhu barrier on the Punjab-Haryana border. Farmers were seen throwing rocks at the drone, dropping tear gas canisters, escalating tensions during the ongoing Delhi Chalo agitation. Next, Burj Khalifa lights up with Tiranga and PM Modi's pick as a guest of honor. Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address at the World Government Summit, Burj Khalifa in Dubai lit up with the words guest of honor, Republic of India. Dubai's crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum has extended a warm welcome to PM Modi. He noted that the strong ties between the two nations serve as a model for international cooperation. At the invitation of UAE Vice President Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, PM Modi will participate in the World's Governments Summit 2024 set to be held in Dubai as a guest of honor and deliver a special keynote address at the summit. Next, Indian Submarine could play spoilsport for Chinese research vessel in Indian Ocean region. The arrival of the Chinese research vessel Zhang Hong 3 in the Indian Ocean, ostensibly for scientific research, has sparked concerns due to its potential dual-use nature. While the vessel's stated purpose is oceanographic research, its capabilities raise questions about the potential collection of underwater data relevant to military applications. In response, India has deployed the INS Karansh submarine to the Colombo port for a scheduled operational turnaround. While the submarine's official purpose is refueling and restocking, speculation suggests it may also be tasked with monitoring the Zhang Hong 3 activities. Next, export of unmanned ground vehicle to Europe. Hyderabad-based X Machine, a pioneering in Indian robotics and artificial intelligence, is making waves in the global market with its X100 unmanned ground vehicle platform. This versatile platform, designed for research and development across diverse applications like agriculture, material handling, and solar power, has recently found its way to Spain, marking the company's expansion into Europe. Next, tests of upgraded NAG ATGM and NAMIS tank destroyer. The Indian Army recently conducted trials of the improved version of the NAG anti-tank guided missile at the Pokhran field firing range, as reported by the Times of India. This development comes alongside the successful demonstration of the NAMIS tank destroyer, solidifying India's advancement in indigenous anti-tank weaponry. Thank you.